Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this scarf made with the mosaic crochet technique. You can see the written pattern and the chart of this scarf in my website. You can find the link on the description below. Remember that you can find also in my website hundreds of free video tutorials and patterns to make crochet, amigurumi, knitting, and also a stitches gallery. If you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe and click on the bell to receive the notifications of all my new videos. Let's go now with the materials that I used and the step-by-step. I used 300 grams of this material to make this scarf. If you don't have this material, it's like 600 meters for this material to use to crochet with a 4mm crochet hook. I used a 4mm crochet hook and scissors. Let's go with a step-by-step. Remember that you can find this pattern in my website. This chart is multiple of 28 stitches, so you have to make a chain multiple of 28 stitches plus 2 stitches of the edge. It doesn't matter if you don't make a chain multiple of 28, but if you want to complete the repetitions, you should make a chain multiple of 28. Leave a long tail at the beginning and make a chain multiple of 28. And then add 2 stitches. Make the first foundation row, making a chain 1, and make one single crochet on each single crochet. Once you are at the end, chain 1 and cut the yarn. You don't have to turn, you have to place the yarn at the first stitch, leaving a long tail at the beginning. Place the yarn. And make a single crochet on the first stitch. This will be the edge stitch. Then the second row, this second row is to make a preparation row. You have to make one single crochet on each stitch, but taking the back loops. Taking the back loops, one single crochet on each stitch. Once you are at the end, at the last stitch you have to make one single crochet normally, taking both loops of the stitch to make the edge stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Those are the 2 rows to make the preparation to continue making the chart. You don't have to turn, you have to place the previous color, place the other color at the first stitch, leaving a long tail. Place the color, make a single crochet on the very first stitch. This is the edge stitch, and start making the repetition of the graphic. Start with 2 single crochet, but when you are working with the mosaic crochet technique, the single crochet you have to take only the back loops. So 2 single crochet taking the back loops and 1 double crochet. To make the double crochet with the mosaic crochet technique, you have to take the free loop of the same color that you are working on the previous row. From the bottom to the top, take this loop and make a double crochet. And now you are going to repeat to the end of the scarf 3 single crochet, remember taking the back loops, 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet. Remember, to make the double crochet you have to take the free loop of the previous row of the same color that you are working, taking the loop from the bottom to the top, making a double crochet. Repeat to the end, 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet. 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet, repeating to the end. If you have a multiple of 28, you have to finish this row with 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and remember the last stitch, the very last stitch, 1 single crochet. Normally this is the edge stitch. And make a chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail to make the fringes. Row number 2. Remember, leave a long tail at the beginning, place the yarn, make a single crochet on the first stitch, this is the edge stitch, and now to make the repetition you have to make 3 single crochet, one double crochet, remember taking the free loop of the previous row of the same color from the bottom to the top, 1 double crochet, again 3 single crochet and 1 double crochet, three single crochet and 1 double crochet, one single crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet, one double crochet, and finish the repetition with 2 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end. Once you are at the end, remember to make the edge stitch and chain 1 and cut the yarn, leaving a long tail. Start the row number 3. Remember leaving a long tail, place a yarn, make a single crochet, and in this row it's really easy. You only have to start with 1 double crochet, then 3 single crochet, then repeat to the end, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet. This is what you have to repeat, 1 double crochet, 3 single crochet to the end. On the 4th row and the last row of the repetition, place the yarn, make the edge stitch, start with 1 single crochet, one double crochet, three single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet, one double crochet, 5 single crochet, one double crochet, three single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet, one double crochet, 3 single crochet again, and finish this repetition with 1 double crochet. This is what you have to repeat to the end of the row. This is the last row, this is the last row of the repetition. Now you have to start with the row number 1 again. Repeat those 4 rows to get the size of the scarf that you want. Once you have the size of the scarf that you want, I'm leaving those tails to make fringes. I'm going to make a double knot, taking 2 pieces of yarn, a double knot, taking the 2 pieces, make the same on both sides, and then with scissors cut the yarn, leaving the tails with the same size. and you finished the scarf. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember that you can find the chart and the written pattern of this scarf in my website. You can find the link on the description below. You can see that it is a really easy scarf. And as always, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.